Greetings, everyone. I'm Elizabeth Hewlett, and on behalf of the Maryland National Capital Park and Planning Commission, welcome to Good Neighbor Day 2020. We have been a proud partner of Good Neighbor Day for 8 years as we continue to provide healthy recreation options for our community. Each year, we look forward to joining you in rolling up our sleeves, using a little elbow grease to spruce up our community. However, just as with many events in our lives, COVID has forced us all to reevaluate but reimagine our programming. Thanks to Good Neighbor Day and our strong partners in the City of College Park and the University of Maryland, we can provide our residents with healthy opportunities to stay connected. We are Prince George's proud, resilient, and committed to engage in sustainable practices and pursue ways to keep our communities clean and beautiful. We are here and ready to serve. Stay safe, stay strong, stay hopeful, look out for one another, and be a good neighbor as we work together for a hopeful future for our community. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Patrick Wayan, Mayor of the City of College Park. I want to thank you for joining us today and welcome you to Good Neighbor Day. This annual event takes place to beautify our shared spaces, and the City of College Park does it in partnership with the Maryland National Capital Park and Planning Commission and the University of Maryland. Good Neighbor Day brings people together in our shared spaces to better our community and meet each other. You might be serving in your own neighborhood today, or you might discover a place in College Park that you've never been to before. It's a true measure of our community that, especially during these tough times, we come together and respond in service and partnership. So I want to thank you for taking your time today and for taking pride in your community enough to chip in and help. I also want to thank our partners at the University of Maryland and the Maryland National Capital Park and Planning Commission. We couldn't do it without you. Thank you very much and have a good day.
Welcome to the 9th Annual Good Neighbor Day, the first of its kind. This year's hybrid version of Good Neighbor Day includes virtual workshops and small-scale in-person projects focused on creating and maintaining vibrant communities, as well as educating and exciting our fellow community members on a variety of topics. The University of Maryland is grateful for the Office of Community Engagement, the Prince George's County Department of Parks and Recreation, the City of College Park, and every other partner that made this event possible. As a land-grant university and do-good campus, through collaboration and commitment to public service, we all demonstrate what it means to be Terrapin strong.
Hello, and welcome to Good Neighbor Day 2020. Thank you so much for your participation. Good Neighbor Day began in 2011 when it was known as Christmas in April. We started with 50 volunteers and did home renovations. Over the 9 years since, Good Neighbor Day has grown into a strong local tradition. Hundreds of volunteers have helped many in our area. We have a wonderful partnership that includes the University of Maryland, the City of College Park, and the Maryland National Capital Park and Planning Commission. This year, we have a very different kind of Good Neighbor Day with both in-person activities and online workshops. In person, we're going to be beautifying community gardens. We're going to be supporting local food banks through our food drive. And we're going to be doing cleanups in many communities. Our online workshops include financial wellness, mental health and stress management, answering the call to justice and community involvement, and talking with our University of Maryland student athletes about their experiences. I want to extend my heartfelt appreciation to our Office of Community Engagement for their leadership and coordination of Good Neighbor Day for many years. So thank you, Gloria, Jose, Gulshan, and Cameron. Also want to thank the many planners, coordinators, and volunteers who've made a commitment to Good Neighbor Day again this year. And lastly, I want to remind everybody to stay safe, exercise healthy behaviors, wear your face coverings, wash your hands, stay socially distant. And if you're not feeling well, please don't participate in person. Thank you once again. Now let's get started.